Hi, this is Mary. Welcome to BISH'S. I would like to show you a 25Y Arctic fox. This is a 2021 and it's got a great cap. This is an amazing unit to just go down the highway. It looks really sharp. So let's go ahead and look inside and see some of the features that we've got here. So as you can see, this is a very open floor plan. You have a very nice wraparound countertop here. So with a faucet that pulls out, this is a great little feature here. And then you've got your dinette, which will fold down into a bed, and you've got your two sofa chairs here, which is super comfy. And then if we look back here in the bedroom, you've got your bathroom here and your shower here. And then there's a sink, and this bed is so comfortable. If you raise this up, you've got extra storage under here. They even give you some chairs too. Arctic Fox is great. They think of everything. Alright, so thanks for watching this video. Again, my name is Mary. Please contact me if you'd like to view this unit.